In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single leg hop drill, which is going to be in a square pattern. So in this exercise, I've got a TheraBand here on the floor. You don't have to use one, but it's just here as basically a bit of a prop to show you where I'm going. So I'm starting off at this point of the square. I'm going to use one leg to hop forwards, stabilize, to the side, stabilize, back, stabilize, and then back to my original position. So in this example, I'm going to use my left leg, which means my right leg is not going to be in contact with the floor at all. So in this position, I've got my right knee flexed at the knee. I'm going to jump forwards, stabilize, to the side, stabilize, back, stabilize, back to my start position, stabilize. So once you've done that, you want to get better. Try not to move as much. So for example, you notice there with quite a few, I would jump and then need to kind of shuffle the feet a little bit. The better and the more you do them, the better you'll get. And then you can of course do that on the other leg as well. Make sure you do it on both legs and repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That is how to do the square balance single leg hop drill.